Hey guys, we're taking a larger canvas, maybe like a 16 by 20, and we are going to give it a coat of black acrylic paint. I was going to leave the edges white, but I decided to cover them up. And I did take this around to the sides as well. And then we're going to give that a good dry. Then I do take a sand sponge and I go around the wood frame that's underneath the canvas. I'll later cover that up. I don't end up liking it, but it could work for another project. And then I'm just kind of mapping out with some chalk where I want my top right of my flag to be, and then I'm using water and paint, and I'm kind of tilting my canvas as I paint, and so that I can create some drips. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the red stripes. I'm using water and paint. And then I do the white stripes as well. And then I'm going to set it up. It looks a lot worse before it looks better. And then I'm going to take 2 paintbrushes and just grab some white paint and water. I'm just going to click those paintbrushes together and create those stars. And then I'm just going to give this as much of a dry as I can. And then I'm going to do a second layer, just so we've got like some depth in here, and so we can kind of clean it up wherever we want to. And then I get close and I guess more deliberate or more focused about where I want those drips to be, so that you can still tell it's a flag. And I'm just tilting the canvas. It's a little harder to show on camera, but, and of course I used a big one, but you can kind of see it here. Now, then on the edges, since I didn't end up liking the sanded look, I went ahead and put some Elmer's white school glue on the edges, and then put some navy blue on top of that before it dried. And then we just have like a crackle, like a black and blue crackle to frame it out. And I do think it turns out really pretty. I do this in sections. I'll do this side and then I'll flip it around, I'll do the other side. And as it dries and kind of sits and stuff, like the next day, it looked absolutely beautiful. You guys will see in the pictures at the end. I did take the blue paintbrush as well, and I just went around those black sides also. I didn't do the glue, just the blue paintbrush. And then we're going to give everything a good dry. This one was fun. It grew on me. I wasn't sure if I was going to love it or hate it, but I just think it's different and fun and unique, and I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.